Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. These have been the most common social media applications that we all have been using over a period of time, and there has been no new application that has been rolled out in the market. Well, I would want to correct myself here because there have been a few applications being rolled out, but they did not survive the market, or they were thrown outside the market by the big players and the big competitors in the market. That's the social media game that everyone's playing out there. But here we have a new member onto the table again here, and the new sensation app that's been catching eye from every single one around the globe is Clubhouse. So what Clubhouse is all about, how do you get to know about Clubhouse, how do you get started using, how do you start using Clubhouse, how do you become a member about Clubhouse? So I would say there were two major reasons why Clubhouse was so eye catchy and the talk of the hour back when it got released or got announced initially, was because of the major two reasons. That's the iOS only platform and the invite only. Majoritively it was the second one, that's the invite only method of joining the application, but apart from that as well, it was available only on iOS platform when it initially came out. So how it used to work out was the owner and the founders of the company gave out the initial invites to a couple of people, and everyone who joins the application gets further 5 more invites. So yeah, today also if you go ahead and join Clubhouse, you get 5 invites. So you have an opportunity to invite 5 people over to this platform, and you can easily go ahead and share these invites with any of your friends or anyone else who you would want to invite to the platform. But the first point that I mentioned to you right now, the iOS only nature of Clubhouse has been removed. So initially when it came out, it was only iOS friendly, but later on the company worked upon an Android app as well. So now if you are using an Android phone right now watching this video, you can definitely go onto your Play Store and download Clubhouse. And before I take things ahead from here, so do not forget to watch this video till the end, because I have a surprise for everyone who's going to watch this video till the end. And I'm not lying about it. I'm pretty confident that you're gonna get something amazing while watching this video throughout. So coming back to what exactly is Clubhouse. Clubhouse is a new social media applications that is based on only the audio experience. Now, if you were new to Facebook, earlier Facebook was a new social media platform that was something entirely new that was discovered in the market. But when you come on to Instagram, you know that Instagram is a picture friendly, or it's a photographic platform, because if you want to share content, you are supposed to share it in the form of pictures, whereas on LinkedIn you're supposed to share it majoritively in the form of text and paragraphs or blogs. The unique thing about Clubhouse in this manner is the audio only nature of Clubhouse, which means that if you want to share content on Clubhouse, or if you want to consume content on Clubhouse, it has to be only in the form of audio. So you cannot type anything, you cannot post a blog, or you cannot post a post or text post over there on Clubhouse. You can also not post any pictures on the Clubhouse application. It's only a pure audio experience that you need to consume and deliver at the platform as well. So now let's bring it about in different parts. So let me quickly get my phone and let's jump on to the application user interface. So I'll just guide you through how to use the application, how to get it, and what are the different ways and what are the different features of the application that you could use while you start using Clubhouse. So let me get my phone and let's get back to the video. Alright, so I have my phone right here, and the screen is going to be shared right here. You can easily see whatever I am talking about or what I am referring to. So let's first, I have opened the App Store over here, and this is the page for Clubhouse application. The initial thing that I personally found very unique about this application is the icon of the app. So it's just a random picture. It's not a logo or anything related to the application. It's something totally random, and that's a unique feature about the application as well. So there are some information over here, but let me just quickly dive into the application. I'll open the app here, and at the top here, okay, so let's do this after a while. Let's do this later on. The front screen that you're seeing at this moment when you open the application is also known as the wall. So this is the more of related to the feed on Facebook or the explore feature on Instagram. This is quite related to that, because here you find a lot of different rooms. So now what are the rooms on Clubhouse? So as I told you earlier, Clubhouse is an only audio based platform wherein you have to either share audio or consume audio, and in such a manner you are supposed to create rooms. Every single time you create a room, you are supposed to enter a particular topic, as in what is the topic of discussion. Whatever you wish to discuss about can be the topic of that particular room that you are creating. And now you get a choice as well. So if you tap on start a room over here, you get a choice as in what should be the privacy of this room. Initially there is an option for open, so that your room comes up on the explore option, that's the feed or like the wall of this particular app. Now there is social as well, so it's just among the people you follow, so it's just the closed ones. If you want to discuss something within your circle, something about yourself, something very close, then definitely you can choose this option. And there is a closed option as well, only the people you choose. So if it's even you, your friend, or three of you guys want to discuss about something, to start a new business or something like that, then you can just add your friends and have a discussion along with them on this application, so no one's going to disturb you. Very similar to a conference call as well, but this feature of the app is the least used one, I personally believe, because it's not about you talking to yourself or you sharing the information with the people you already know, because you have other means of platform wherein you could do the exact same thing. Whereas if you're coming onto this particular application, you are coming here to talk to people who are at a particular stage. So let's say if you want to talk about blockchain, cryptocurrency and Bitcoin, then there is a particular room and there are a lot of people, wherein to your surprise, Elon Musk is also on this particular app. So you never know if he's talking about something and he's making some big announcement on the application. So that's something possible as well, which is not possible on other social media platforms as of now. So there are people from the top management of the top companies, people who influence the particular industry are present on this particular application. So it's a very good source of consuming a lot of knowledge, is where I would take this app from. Consuming knowledge is where I was coming from, because there are few things on the way I see social media, because if you are spending 4 to 5 hours every single day on your phone, that's when you're on your smartphone, and if you're scrolling Instagram without learning something, without gaining something from that particular application, then you are wasting 4 to 5 hours for pure entertainment. And well, that's totally your choice. I'm not saying that you shouldn't be doing that, but if I were in your place, I wouldn't be doing that. I would be looking for options, as in following people who share informative content, following people who would be sharing something that I do not know, something that I am not aware about, and something that I could learn from those type of people or those particular people that I am following. And that's very similar to what you would also want to do on Clubhouse, because here there are people from places where you could never even get an opportunity to speak to. And here, if you are able to listen to these type of people, that means that they have something to deliver, they have something that you should be listening to, you should be learning from. And that's exactly why I believe this should be an amazing app that does really well in the coming times as well. Well, that's just my perspective and my side of the story. I would want you also to comment down below and let me know, do you agree with my perspective? If you agree, then definitely do not forget to give a thumbs up to this video. And if you do not agree, then do let me know in the comments below what is your perspective and what do you think this app is good about, or what's the best part about this application. Alright, so now guys, let's move on to how this app is all about. How do you use this app? What are the different functionalities and features on this application? Alright, so again, the screen is right here. So here, as you can see on the wall, if I'm scrolling down, I see a lot of different rooms, and all of these rooms are open public rooms. That means that I can join any of these rooms and I can listen to the audio. I can actually see the type of topic that they are discussing about, and if I wish to talk about that particular topic, if I wish to discuss anything about that particular topic, if I wish to listen to somebody talking about that particular topic, I would join that room. So let's go down. Let's see if I find something interesting right here. Work smart, not hard, rant room. Alright, so well, this looks to be something interesting. Let's definitely go and listen this up or open this up. So here, when I open this particular room, at the top where you are seeing 10 to 11 people at the top, so about the top first row, I would say there is a green icon beside the name towards the left, and this is for people who are the moderator of that particular room. So these three people are the moderators, they are managing, and these are the guys who have created this room. Now below them there are 6, 7, 8 people again that you are seeing 8 faces. Now these 8 faces or these 8 people are the people who have been invited to speak in this room. These are the speakers of this room apart from the moderators. Now if I follow down, if I go more at the bottom, you see followed by the speakers. So these are the people who have followed the speakers that are speaking in this particular room. So what the app is trying to do right here is it's trying to show you people who are very similar to you, because if you're listening to this particular topic and these speakers, that means that these are the also type of people that you might be interested in or might like. So that's what all of that is about. And at the bottom there are listeners. So others in this room are the listeners who are listening at this moment to everyone and everything that's being spoken at this point. And I would say surprisingly, the limit of every single room is 5,000. So you could have 5,000 listeners listening to you in your particular room if that's an open one. So that's a really great thing. Very great, I would say, reach is what that you get over there. Well, let me quietly exit. All right. So now at the top, you see a calendar as well. So that's upcoming for you. So based on the interest, while setting this app up, based on the interest that you might have selected, you get options, and and Clubhouse app also shows you the different types of rooms that would be created and started in the future, in the coming near future, I would say. So you are aware about what type of topics and rooms are going to be coming forward, and based on that, you could arrange time to and free yourself to listen to that particular content if you're interested in that. So well, that's something really nice. I really like this feature as well. And beside that, you get a bell notification as well. So it reminds you about the time it gets started. So you can see it says today at 8:30. So if I tap on this bell, great, we will tell you when it begins. So when this room will begin, when the moderators will start speaking, the speakers will start speaking, and I'll get a notification saying that boom, this room has begun, and this is the time that you want to join the app. Come back and start listening to the speakers and the topic that you wanted to listen about. So well, that's really great. And let's come back. Let's go to the notifications. Here is the activity section. So everyone who's asking you to join, so it's like they are saying is on the waiting list, because as I told you initially that it's an invite only platform. So people can request you to share your invite with them, but they cannot just get it for free. So it's either your choice whether you want to give it to them. You can give it to anyone, as I'm deciding. So what I'm going to do is I have all of my 5 invites still due. I haven't invited anyone so far since I've joined the app very recently. So what I'm going to do is I am going to give away all of these 5 invites to any of you guys. So 5 of you guys winners are going to be picked from the comments. So all you have to do is comment down below, and I will be picking up 5 winners from the comments, and I'll be sharing the invite to you guys. So let's see who wins the invite, and do not forget to comment down below if in case you are looking forward to getting this invite from me. All right, then let's go back from the activity section. Then there is the profile section. And now on the profile, again, there is not a lot of information that you can put in from your end, because at top you have the profile picture. So I have put a profile picture. That's below that is my name. Below that is my username. So if you want to follow me on Clubhouse, if you're already there on Clubhouse, do follow me up. All right, so below that it shows the followers, following, and there is a bio option. As this app is not allowing you to post anything else, so all you can do is speak about whatever topic you're interested in particular rooms, and that too does not get stored. So as in the way on Instagram lives can be stored, your highlight feature, there is no permanent feature on Clubhouse. So everything that's been spoken or discussed about is real time. So that's the real time experience, the real live one-on-one experience is what you're getting in this application. And that's why people are liking this app as well, because on Instagram, Facebook, on any other platform, all of the things that you're trying to say, you're trying to communicate with your audience gets stored back, and you can review them back whenever you come, like even after 4 to 5 years, 10 years as well. But you can revisit all of those things. But on Clubhouse, nothing like this is possible. All you have to do is speak right now, discuss about it right now, talk right now, and nobody has a recording of that. So nobody gets to record any of that thing, which is exactly why everything that you put in your profile picture and your bio is everything that you're telling about yourself, which is exactly why you should be very confident and very clear as in what you're trying to enter. Because well, if you're just there to consume content, I don't think so that would matter a lot. But if you're there to deliver content, if you're there to create rooms, if you're there to build audience on Clubhouse, well, these are the 2 things that you would want to keep in mind while you're creating your profile. Now let's move forward. There is an option to connect your Twitter account and your Instagram account as well. So if you would want, you can definitely go ahead and link your Instagram and Twitter as well. So if someone's following you, they would want to follow you on the other platform as well. They could easily see your content over there and follow you as well. And below that, I would have nominated by, so that's the person who invited me. That's the name of the person who invited me to Clubhouse. And member of, I am not a member of any clubs at this point, so which is why it's not showing me any clubs. So, but in case if you are a member of any clubs, all of those clubs would be shown down below. Now let's go into the settings, and here there are few options that you would be interested in. The very first option that I thought could be interesting is the interests option, wherein here you can select the type of topics that you are interested in, and based on that is when Clubhouse application, the algorithm will be picking up topics and room for you, so that way you see the content that you like and are more likely to engage with. So that's a really good feature, I would say. Definitely you can use that one. And apart from that, include trending rooms is also a good feature, because that way if any room is trending, there are a lot of people suddenly joining a particular room, that becomes a trending room, because that way the topic is hot, a lot of people are joining the room, trying to listen to what's going on inside the room. That way it's a trending room. And if those rooms, if you're interested in such type of rooms wherein a lot of people are interested in something, so definitely that's something that you should also be listening to, then those type of rooms would be coming up at top. One last thing I would say is, if you tap on the right corner over here, you can see your friends who are available to chat, or who are online, or with whom you could have communication or create a room with as well. So that's all about the application part here. Well, that's all about the majoritively part of the application and the features that I wanted to talk to you about. Now it's your turn. You have to decide whether you like this application, whether you enjoy it or not, and if you should go ahead and create a profile as well. So, but if you, again, a reminder, if you are interested in creating a profile on Clubhouse, do not forget to comment down below, as I'm going to pick up 5 winners from the comments and I'm sharing my invite with you guys. Well, now moving on to my final stance and my viewpoint on this particular app, I personally feel that audio moving forward is the future, because earlier there was a lot of post and content wherein people used to sit down, read a lot about a lot of topics that they were interested in. Then we moved on to reading to visual content, that's the pictures and the video. That's the era currently we are in. And I personally believe, or I personally think that the future era, or the future moving forward, is going to change from the video and the picture format to the audio format, because not everyone has a lot of time to sit, because when you're watching a 20-minute long video, you need to set aside 20 minutes for watching that video, for seeing what's going on the screen and understanding what's the audio that's behind that video as well. But on platforms such as audio, such as a Clubhouse or a podcast that's been growing over the period of time over the last few years, I would say that's something that you could do at any given point of time while you're driving. That's the time wherein you could easily listen to some good music, but rather you choose to consume some good content, and that's when you could easily go ahead and join a room and start listening to the audio. You do not have to see something, all you have to do is listen, and that's easily possible while you're driving as well. So that's totally fine, I believe. And I believe Clubhouse is here to stay. I believe there is a lot of scope in this application. Let's see how it turns out to be in the near future. There is a lot of scope. I personally believe this application should stay around for a while, but well, I do not really know what's the future all about. So definitely let's see how the future turns out for this particular application. Well, also guys, that's about it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to give a thumbs up to this video. And again, a reminder guys, if you are interested to get an invite for Clubhouse application, then do not forget to comment down below, and I'll be picking up 5 lucky winners from the comments. So it might be you if you are looking to join Clubhouse. If you like watching such videos in the future as well, do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification down below, so that way you would get a notification every single time I put out a new video on this channel. And that's about it, and I'll catch you guys later in my next one. Peace out.